Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi calling. First, ensure your smartphone and mobile carrier both support this convenient feature. Next, open your phone's settings menu, often found under Connections or Cellular Data Options. Once there, simply locate the Wi-Fi calling setting and toggle it to the on position. This quick setup allows your device to make and receive calls over a stable Wi-Fi network, enhancing your connectivity. Wi-Fi calling offers several fantastic benefits. You'll notice significantly clearer call quality, especially when you're inside buildings where cellular signals struggle. It also enables you to make and receive calls in places with little to no cellular service, like basements or remote areas. To ensure optimal performance, you'll need a stable Wi-Fi connection, providing at least 1 megabit per second of bandwidth. This ensures your conversations remain smooth and uninterrupted, no matter your location. Using Wi-Fi calling is incredibly straightforward once activated. You simply dial numbers as you normally would, and your phone intelligently prioritizes the available Wi-Fi network for the call. During an active Wi-Fi call, you'll often see a small Wi-Fi icon displayed next to your carrier's name on your phone screen. For incoming calls, your device will ring just as it always does, seamlessly routing the conversation through your stable Wi-Fi connection, ensuring you never miss an important call. While Wi-Fi calling is highly convenient, there are a few important points to remember. For instance, when making emergency calls to 911, your exact location might not be automatically transmitted, so always be prepared to state your address clearly. It's also wise to ensure your registered physical address with your carrier is up to date for these services. Finally, Wi-Fi calls consume very little data, typically less than 1 megabyte per minute, so you don't need to worry about excessive data usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.